Hey guys, it's Andy here from Andy's Adventures. Just another little something I want to show you today. So Christmas is coming, so looking for Christmas presents, gift ideas, things like that. This could be a good one. This is actually for someone else, but being a bit cheeky, because I am going to open it because I know there's something in here that they don't want, and we're going to swap it with something that they do want to put inside that's more suitable. So this is from Clean Offroad. They do a lot of car cleaning products and stuff like that for four-wheel drives. They do stuff for beach, red dust, things like that. Haven't actually used their products as yet. It's meant to be very good, but that's easy to say, but I can't say. Haven't tried it as yet. So we interrupt this program with a very quick mention. They do also have a hydro seal and semi-ceramic, and their HKP 03, which is like a hypergloss wash that supports the Harrison Paint Initiative. It's fantastic they're behind such a good charity. So this is one of their bundle packages. This is their starter pack. So this is actually aimed at someone who doesn't have a pressure washer, someone who's, you know, they've got the hose pipe and they want to get a bit of a snow foam going. This is aimed at them. So we're going to be a bit cheeky and open it, but as I say, because we've got to swap something else in it. So you basically peel off that bit. Oh shit. So hopefully they're never going to know that I've done this. Looks like new. Peel off the lid and see what we got inside. So as I say, it's their starter pack. We did get it on special for under $100. If you get on now, it's still discounted. Great Christmas present. It's got their massive drying towel. It's got a wash mitt. Wash mitts are always important. It's really good for actually when you've sudded up the car and giving it a good wash, agitating it, getting that dirt off. What else is in here? So this is what we're swapping out. I've got to get the one for them. This is the beach to clean. Now, the person we're getting this for, they don't have a car that can go down to the beach. So we figured, you know, we do like going to the beach. We're going to get to try this. And we're swapping this with one of their normal products, which I don't have in the garage. Bit of a rookie error. It also comes with like a snow foam attachment for your garden hose. So basically your hose will plug into this. You'll put your solution in there, be able to, oh, hang on a minute. Helps if I get everything out, doesn't it? There we go, that starts making more sense. So basically the trigger goes onto the garden hose. I'm not going to take it all out because it is for someone else. That one goes on there, nozzle on the end, and you got like snow foam cannon using your garden hose. I think that's pretty good. Couple of spare seals as well, which is always nice. Distractions, which let's be honest, we're not going to look at. But yeah, so that's a really good kit. So anyone who likes looking after their car, Clean Offroad, it's a local company here in Queensland. Get on top, support them. Perfect Christmas present. Cheers. Thanks very much for watching another little review by Andy's Adventures. I'm not sponsored. This is just stuff that we've used and we liked. If you also like this and the traveling videos, please like and subscribe. Cheers. Bye.